Hey guys, it's Yummy
Gummy!
and today we're doing a video about squishies!
Hooray!
So, hope you enjoy. The first squishy that I'm going to be showing you is a sushi squishy. It's very fast rising.
Yeah. Now, smell it! Smell it!
It doesn't smell good.
Okay, now I'm going to be showing you one of my squishies. It's a cupcake squishy. Squish, squish, squish. It doesn't smell good like hers.
Okay, now I'm going to be showing you my pancake squishy. Here's my pancake squishy. It's slow rising.
Squishy.
It's very slow rising.
And it's very squishy. Now I'm going to be showing you one of
Smells
mine.
like kind of like a pancake mixed with the sushi, like the smell of the sushi.
I'm going to show you mine. So this is my little macaroon. It has a face on it. And squish, 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 squish. Does it smell good?
Now we're going to be showing you this one at the same time. So 3, 2, 1, go. Here are bread squishies. They're fast rising.
Yeah, and they have peanut butter and jelly or peanut butter and jam. Squish, squish,
And they smell kind of like my sushi.
yeah. It's not kind of
So, yeah, hope you enjoy.
Bye!